Let's play a game. What's more stressful than planning a trip to a dream destination? Spending your life savings and sharing every Instagram photo with 100 strangers in the background. But don't worry, we've got a cheat code for that. Welcome to Passport Nuggets, where today we're spilling the beans on destination dupes. Places that feel just as magical as the originals, but without the insane price tags and crowds. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll have 5 new travel destinations that'll make your wallet and your Instagram feed very happy. Let's go. First up, let's talk Santorini. Picture this: whitewashed buildings, endless blue seas, and crowds of influencers fighting for that perfect sunset shot. Enter Ksamil, Albania. It's like Santorini's chill cousin who doesn't care about Instagram likes but still looks stunning. Ksamil offers dreamy beaches with crystal clear waters. And guess what? Dinner here won't cost you your firstborn child. Plus, no crowds, just you, the sea, and maybe a stray dog who wants to be your best friend. Now, the Amalfi coast. It's beautiful, romantic, and probably going to max out your credit card. But don't cancel that wedding proposal just yet. Head to Montenegro's Bay of Kotor instead. It's got the same Mediterranean charm, jaw-dropping cliffs and quaint towns, but with fewer tourists and way better prices. You can even afford a boat ride without Googling how to sell a kidney. Who doesn't dream of sipping hot cocoa in the Swiss Alps? But then you realize the price of that cocoa could fund an entire trip elsewhere. Enter Georgia, not the US state, but the country with the Caucasus Mountains. Imagine the same dramatic peaks, cozy villages, and incredible hiking trails, but with wine that costs less than a bus ticket. Yep, Georgia might just be the best-kept secret of mountain lovers. Next stop, Kyoto, Japan. It's famous for its temples, cherry blossoms, and quiet Zen vibes, until you get caught in a tourist stampede. Why not try Gyeongju, South Korea? It's got ancient temples, serene gardens, and spring blossoms, all without the elbow-to-elbow crowd control. Bonus, Gyeongju is so budget-friendly, you might even afford that second bowl of noodles. Priorities, right? And now, Paris, the city of love, but also the city of expensive baguettes and questionable coffee prices. Here's the hack. Swap Paris for Bucharest, Romania. It's got gorgeous Belle Epoque architecture, vibrant cafes, and pastries that will make you question why anyone pays $10 for a croissant in Paris. Plus, no Eiffel Tower lines, just endless charm and a lot more change in your pocket. Now, here's where the real magic happens: planning your trip. For Ksamil, stay in cozy local guest houses and don't miss the nearby Blue Eye Spring. In Montenegro, Perast is a hidden gem, and a boat ride to Our Lady of the Rocks will make your trip worth it. Georgia? Head to Stepantsminda and the iconic Gheorgheti Trinity Church for views that will blow your mind. In Gyeongju, rent a bike to explore the ancient sites, and in Bucharest, make sure to check out the Palace of the Parliament. Your Instagram followers will thank you later. Let's break it down. These destination dupes can save you up to 70% compared to their pricey counterparts. A week in Ksamil could cost you just $500, while Santorini might set you back $1,500. The Bay of Kotor? Around $700, compared to Amalfi's $2,000. And don't even get me started on Switzerland versus Georgia. One cocoa versus an entire vacation. The math doesn't lie, folks. So what do you think? Ready to trade the crowds and overpriced lattes for stunning views and extra cash in your wallet? Let us know in the comments which dupe destination is calling your name. And hey, if you love these hacks, hit that like button, subscribe to Passport Nuggets, and share this video with your travel-loving friends. Remember, every great adventure starts with a nugget of inspiration. See you in the next video.